We begin our journey in science by studying our home planet, Earth. Earth is only planet we know that supports life. It has the perfect environment for plants, animals, and humans to live. That's why it is important to protect our planet. So, variety of life on Earth. Earth is full of different plants and animals. These living things survive and grow in many different environments like a hot desert, cold mountains, wet forest. For example, a seed grows in a plant. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. A cow gives birth to a calf. All these are natural changes and growth process that we seen in life. How and why these changes happens? The roles of food. To grow or live, every living being needs food. In a large country like India, food is very interesting because different part of India have different dishes. These dishes are made from different ingredients, things used to make food. Some question we will try to answer: what is our food and made of? Where do these food items come from? And how does food help us grow? Water, a wonder of nature. Why is important? Just food, water is necessary for our survival. Water is not just useful, it's also fun about. Playing in puddles after it rains, drinking cold water on a hot day, taking a warm bath in winter. So, water cools, it freezes and becomes ice. When water heats, it boils and becomes steam. This helps us understand heat and cold in our environment and our bodies, like when we have a fever. Learning how hot or cold something is can be a very important science. How does it rain? Why and how it rains? The water cycle. The sun heats water in river, lakes, oceans. Water turns into vapor and rise up. In the sky, the vapor cools and forms clouds. When clouds gets heavy, it rains back down. The cycle of these parts of nature's a way of moving water around. This is very important science. This is very important. So many materials. Look around you. There are lot of objects made from the different materials like a paper, metal ski, plastic rulers, rubber, eraser, magnets, clothes, cups of bottles. So what will you learn? What are these things made of? Are they made of similar or different materials? How can we separate different materials from other? These kinds of questions you will have explored in science. Science helps us understand not just what around us, but also what's far away in space. Water is essential for life. It changes from with temperature. We will have learn how and why it's rain water cycle. Heat and temperature affect our body and the environments. Everything around us is made from materials. We will study their types, uses, and how to separate them. So, science is full of questions and wonders even about the star in the sky.